And then say madam push. First cry where you go here, you go no say the pikin yes. He really come well with happiness.
Look we hear the cry.
And then say push, you go hear one small cry. You see, say not stress himself. No, this is not time to laugh. You say not stress himself.
Okay.
After 2 minutes, you will just see one nurse from nowhere carry the baby, go where they go bait am. As them bait am finish, water touch him body, you go hear one long cry. At the end, you no go cry another. As water touch him body, shh, you go hear. You go short. Finally now, okay, you never born abi. Okay, if you don't born, you know what I do. First, after them bait the pikin finish, they'll carry the baby now to the mama.
Okay.
Put am by the side. Pikin go sleep. Because he don't really enjoy for stomach.
Okay.
Now he still eat sleep. Then when hungry hold them, the way that they still start their cry, you know say true now hungry hold this pikin. It not be like poor man.
How?
Now as the pikin they turn on top chair, on top bed, you go there small cry, you hear something like one thing what they enjoy for the way these children they be say, for you to know say hungry hold this pikin, immediately them put Bobby for a mouth.
That's the mother try to breastfeed them.
Thank you.
Okay.
The way the baby go take shut up, you go not say true to hungry hold this pikin.
How?
Now watch the way the baby go take shut up. Now he they cry. See the way he go take shut up. As them put breast now what?